Hello.
Hi.
So, ma'am, what would you suggest as a parent?
Yes, I think I was a pediatric ophthalmologist before I became a parent, but I became a better pediatric ophthalmologist after becoming a parent myself.
Okay.
So I realized that as parents, we are having this extra thing to do our best.
Yeah.
And we visual medium, like I told you, is so much important that we want to keep it as treasured as possible for the child's adult life. As a mother, I would say that having this whole balance of things going on, I'm not saying no screens,
Yeah.
because no screens is not practical for any parent today. They are going to be exposed to good things also from that screen. They learn so much in school from screens. So there is nothing known as no screens anymore. But we can always make it less screens and better screens.
Okay.
Which means that limit the time which they are spending on these mediums and make it a little more meaningful and interactive also, in the sense that you see the same things that they are seeing.
Yeah.
You learn the same. You have common topics to talk
True,
about.
true.
As we have little elder children, our lives and their lives become segregated more and more, because we are not seeing the same things either. So if you see the things that children are seeing, one, you are less worried that you know what is going on, and second is that there are certain visual screens which are again not good for the eyes. So too much of movement,
Okay.
games which are having too much of movement, they are really bad for our eyes as well as the brain.
Okay.
So there are certain games, or there are certain things where if the child has had a seizure disorder earlier in life, they can be triggered also by too much moving visuals which are
Okay.
seen in a lot of gaming platforms. So seeing what they are seeing. Third thing is, I as a parent do not gift my child a screen. And gifting an iPad is actually gifting a bomb. You're not giving anything great to your child at 3 years of age by giving an iPad.
Yeah.
So I feel gifts should be more meaningful and thoughtful, not just because you can afford it and buy the latest Apple laptop or whatever for your child, because that again is something that we are introducing that world. The child has not been born with a screen.
Yeah.
You are introducing that world. You are using that world for your own pleasure. Okay. And that's again something. And as a parent, I have never given screens when we are outside. And that's something that is unfortunate. Like, all of us are so busy that we hardly get time with our partners also.
True.
So when we are outside, we want to finish our meal, and so each child is given one phone. Too many problems here. One is visual, of course. They are so close to their face and they don't know what they're eating. So the mother is feeding with a spoon and the child is eating. I don't think that's a great way to nourish yourself. And second thing is, child doesn't interact with anything. Like, when we go to restaurants, we like to see the decor of the place. We want to see what the waiter is doing, what drinks they're serving, what food they're getting. Things
The
like
surroundings
that.
also.
The surrounding fascinates you. As an anchor today, as a doctor, our job actually is about observation, isn't it? Observing each other and trying to know, do what the other one is wanting to do. That's a doctor's job also, and that's a anchor, journalist, everybody in the media. So if we don't learn that from our childhood, we are going to be stunted in our personalities as an adult. So learning from the environment, I think, is very good. And in homes, have some zones which are off screen, like your dining table. Like, I don't have a TV in any of the bedrooms.
Okay.
I don't have a TV in the dining table. And that helps because you talk with each other more. And the screen then becomes less of a numbing medium for your child. Children today are having a lot of aggression, a lot of psychological disorders, like you would know. Teenagers are more and more isolated, more and more in their screens.
Yeah.
And then at that age, you are not going to be able to connect to the child more. So younger age, have the right habits as a mother, parent, and you yourself don't use that phone on your dining table.
Yeah.
It's not required. Any phone call can be taken later. Spend the time with your family. I think that would be my number one tip as a mother and a pediatric ophthalmologist.
Thank you so much, ma'am,
Thank you.
for sharing your knowledge and letting our everyone know that about the eye things, issues, and all. We are so much pleased.
Thank you so much for this platform, and it's amazing interacting with you always. Thank you.
Thank you.